I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Let's see, can I mold a plug? I don't think so. Doesn't seem to work too well. How about carving one out of wood? Let's see how that does. Crude but effective. There's only 3 contact points down on the bottom of this battery charger. To match this, this, and this. So I've marked out the contact points. Now to turn this into a plug, I need to get a wire down through here, and I think I'm going to just drill a hole completely down through the end of it. Have the wires come out the end, chisel over in, attach the wires to the side of the plug here. Not exactly sure how I'm going to go about that, but we'll come up with something. Now this is one of those projects that's gonna just kind of drag on for a while, guys, but I thought I'd share the idea behind it so that you could see what was going on and maybe you could offer me some points. I'm always open to suggestions. As I say, if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.